Welcome to the biggest hand car wash in the Northeast. This is the Oasis Hand Car Wash. I'm going to be explaining to you what we do here, what makes it different, what makes it unique, and more importantly, that every time you hand car wash your car, it is safe and better than you will do it at home. We're going to start with the chemicals. Now, these chemicals have to be pH neutral because in the other side of this facility, we have the Oasis Auto Salon. These chemicals will basically do not harm the car. You won't have any type of acid damage, especially on the trim, and also will give it a bigger gloss. So let's start. So we have two types of chemicals, the blue one and the red peel. The blue one is for the body of the car. The red one is for the wheels of the car. We also use two types of mitts. The orange ones will be for the body. The green ones will be for the wheels of the car. And then we have different chemicals. So we have debug. A degreaser is when normally the bottom of the car comes with tar, grease, and a few other contaminants. Then we have an iron remover. That's for, most people know it as the purple bleeding. So we use that when we need to decontaminate. Then we have one for the wheels. So we spray it directly on the wheels. It is safe for all types of wheels, include aluminum wheels because it's a non-acid product. And then we have an all-purpose cleaner, which we'll basically use for any stubborn kind of dirt. We have an industrial type of vacuum. It's a very powerful vacuum, makes vacuuming really easy. We have a power washing here. So it has the right nozzle. And also through this power washing is not just water, so a chemical is being run to it. This chemical that makes it slippery. So it reduces any kind of risk of scratching or having any swirl marks. Another thing that's very unique that you rarely will see in any other hand car wash is this flat conveyor system. This basically allows you to be 3/4 of an inch from the ground. This basically means that it doesn't matter with how low of a splitter you come in. So you can bring anything from your regular everyday car to a hypercar, and you have nothing will scratch it, nothing touches the car. So you have our first arch right here. So the first arch is basically applying a chemical, again, to make it slippery. Then it goes to our high pressure washing over here. So same nozzles as our hand ones. These will rinse the car. Then you have two types of soaps. So these ones right here will be our second stage ceramic soap. And this is our first stage ceramic soap. So it's basically the same ceramic soap as the previous stage. The only difference is the strength. This one is 100%. This one will be 50%. Then you will see that here in this area gets one last hand wash on it just to make sure we didn't miss any part of the car. And then you go into 3 stages right here. So one will be rinse. The second one is a sealant, and the third one is a drying agent. So the water will run off your car. This one right here will be equivalent to Rain X, but it is a ceramic product that we use. And this bar over here is for our filtration system. So the last rinse that the cars get is with water that's completely clean, free of contaminants. Then we have an air blow system that basically blows 90% of the water off the car. So if you get to this stage, it depends on your package. So if you do the garden, that's our express hand car wash. At this point, the car will only be dry and will be out of this door. If you get a Python, it will be the tire shine will be applied here and all your door jambs will be dry. If you get the Viper, then your windows, your tire shine, and the door jambs will be clean here. And then the Mamba and the Gold, we still call it washes, but for most of our clients are like mini details. And that will include a full wipe down of the interior, leather treatment, includes a few other things, scent, a few other things depending on those packages. But we also have different towels for different things. So normally the green towels, they are for drying only. The yellow towels are usually for interior. The blue ones are usually for the windows. And then we have different chemicals if we need to touch anything up. The tire shine that we use on this stage is water-based. So if ever it leaks on your car, You can wipe down it very easily. However, we do wipe it down before it leaves, so normally we don't have that issue. And this is our hand car wash. It was purposely built for ours. So we basically took different application or different things and make a fit to our system. You can see all our Google reviews. Our clients are pretty happy. It's not a perfect system. We still are improving it as we get feedback from our clients. But for right now, this is it.